Hi, my name is Jennifer Sun, and as a future CEO, I can tell you one thing. 2022 was the year that changed everything. The launch of our very first product, the Smart #1, was an important milestone in the history of Smart, and demonstrated how we see people interacting with it and each other, physically, digitally, and emotionally. Sounds pretty epic, right?
Smart was never just about manufacturing cars, but always about new ideas on connecting people and places. That's why we've never been afraid of doing things differently. We have striven for solutions which not only delight, but also surprise.
Our predecessors successfully relaunched the entire business model. That's why, in the future, I can rely on our highly experienced physical retail network, which is fully integrated in the digital customer journey. So thanks to my former leadership team for persevering at the beginning. Much appreciated.
You probably guessed it. When the future Vice President of Research and Development of Smart Automobile comes into play, it's time to talk future tech. The Smart #1 comes with benchmark connectivity features like a multifunctional app and over-the-air updates. Not to brag or anything, but being one of the first cars to be built on the fully electric SEA platform, the Smart #1 offers an unparalleled amount of interior space.
I'm the future Vice President of Global Sales, Marketing, and After Sales of Smart Automobile, and the Chairman of the Supervisory Board of Smart Europe. And aside from the challenge of correctly reciting my title, we are ready for tomorrow, today.
Because we must admit, there really is no such thing as too early when it comes to shaping the future. That's why, for us, tomorrow is today, and it starts with the all-new Smart #1.
Tomorrow is yours.